Hello and welcome to SAP's Aerospace and Defense Demonstration Series. Today we'll be covering aftermarket MRO. This is the first of 5. Today we'll be going through the overview. My name is Brian Worth from SAP Aerospace and Defense Solutions. This is SAP's Aerospace and Defense Solution Map. So you can see of the many different areas across all of aerospace and defense that we cover. Today we're going to be focusing on maintenance, repair, and overhaul, which falls under aftermarket services. To dig a little deeper into aftermarket and MRO, if we look across the top, we can see military operations, maintenance engineering, maintenance scheduling operations, supply, and MRO support as different work streams or verticals. And across those, you can see the processes that flow through. So we're talking about contracts or performance-based logistics or power by the hour, all the way through to the technical publications and maintenance programs. So if you operate aircraft and you define those preventive maintenance programs or work with the manufacturers on defining them, you can do that within SAP. The configuration management, so the aircraft's as built or as maintained structure and how those relate to one another. Scheduling the maintenance work, and this covers base maintenance, line maintenance, engine complex component as well, all the way through to your inventory. So how do you perform service parts planning, service parts management, warranty, quality management, tooling and ground support, as well as GSC. So all that's built on top of SAP's back-end core solutions around analytics, financials, HR, human capital management, and corporate services, as well as our technology platform. From a pure process perspective, this covers all of the maintenance, repair, and overhaul processes as if you were to maintain an active aircraft fleet. So if you are an aircraft operator, you're going to do all of these, from materials management, config management, all the way through inspection programs, forecasting the work, execution of the work, performing component backshop repair, all the regulatory reporting that's required, as well as how you integrate your technical publications, as well as the links to other content management. So if you are a third-party repair vendor, you may only do forecasting, planning, and the base maintenance execution, potentially component shop repair. So depending on your organization, there's going to be particular processes that you may or may not cover in today's presentation. So our experience within SAP MRO against our customer base is here. I'll just move back a little and let you see. So if you're watching this as a recording, then you can always stop and review those at your leisure. I want to speak a little bit more about how SAP collaborates with our industry partners. So a lot of our key companies and organizations that are listed in this top box here fall into our Aerospace and Defense Industry Advisory Council, which we meet with them biannually to discuss their current needs and wants and struggles as it relates to IT and how SAP can help them with that. And that also flows into other user-specific groups, one of which is SUGAIR, which focuses on maintenance, repair, and overhaul, where we have specific industry business units that meet with our customers to work through problems, issues that SAP can uniquely help, whether that's we want to do it cloud-based, we want to do big data, we want to do predictive. All those types of discussions occur twice a year as part of these user communities and user groups. And there's others listed here as well around complex assembly manufacturing, service parts, PLM, and so forth. So as part of this series, we're going to cover off 4 key areas, and they're based on specific roles. So the first role is more from an engineering or programs perspective, program managers or your engineering group. The second is around task planning for your maintenance planners or maintenance planning organization. The third is the maintenance supervisor or shop floor foreman. And lastly is the shop floor mechanic or inspector. For more information on SAP and Aerospace and Defense, you can go to this link or simply Google SAP Aerospace and Defense. Thank you.